Last thing I want to talk to you about is second chances. One of the things that I wanted to be able to do with our $1 million flooring educational program is help individuals that may need a second chance, right? Something happened, and now you're in a position where you're looking for a job, you're looking for an opportunity, you keep getting the doors closed on you, you got an X on your back. Nobody wants to take a chance on you. Well, this is an opportunity for you to take a chance on yourself. Okay. Learn a new skill, a new trade where you're not waiting on somebody to hire you, but you can hire yourself by offering a service. So become an expert. Join us for the next workshop that we're offering and learn the $1 million flooring game.